Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how I make my pilau step by step. I have added olive oil in my pan. You can use vegetable oil, it doesn't matter. Then I'm adding my butter. Some people prefer to add butter at the end, but for me I like adding my butter earlier with the oil. So then I have added my sliced onions. Then I'm gonna cook them until they are golden brown. The secret of making pilau, guys, is to make the onions like golden brown. Then add your ginger paste and garlic paste and allow them to mix well and cook. Okay, so tell me where you're watching from. Tell me which country are you watching me from. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support your girl, guys. Support. It doesn't take anything from you just to click that button, subscription button. Okay, then I have added my sliced tomatoes, guys. I'm gonna cook my tomatoes until they are very tender like this, and I still feel like it's not yet that tender, so I'm gonna just cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes or so. Then we're gonna continue. Now my tomatoes are ready, guys. Look at that. It looks like a good paste. Then I have added my cinnamon powder. Then I add my pilau masala, then tomato paste, and then chicken. That I air fried my chicken. That is breast chicken. I air fried for 5 minutes. So then I'm adding my spices that you have in the kitchen. That is coriander, turmeric, and cumin. Okay, guys, mix everything together and then add water. And I have Maggi over here. You can use Royco if you have. Then add your washed rice. Add the water. The water I'm using, guys, is the stock from the chicken. Then add your spices, the cloves and the cardamom and bay leaf and cinnamon stick. Then check the salt and allow it to cook on a low heat, guys, on a low heat, because we don't want this pilau to burn. We don't want our food to burn. Okay, look at that, guys. This smells so nice. It smells so nice. And our food is ready, guys. Our pilau is ready. And look at that. It is not burnt. Like, I was very, very careful. Then serve it. I'm gonna serve mine with chicken. I have my grilled chicken over here. If you haven't watched the video that I made, the grilled chicken, go on my YouTube channel and watch it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.